What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to keep this one short and sweet as I show you all the best sites to get free PNG files. Right? Before we get started, remember, guys, smack that like button, leave a comment, click and subscribe. Any feedback will be appreciated. Okay, I've compiled 3 of the top sites that I found after scouring the internet, because some are really challenging, some are say free, but then they want you to create an account, and downloads don't even start. It's kind of difficult to find where you download. So the 3 easiest ones that I found, I'm just going to show you all right now, and I put a link in the description below for each of them. So the first one we're gonna review here is free PNGs, right? And what's cool about this one is you can scroll down to different categories here, and you pick the category that you're looking for. Let's just choose one right here. All right, let's choose weapons. Let's see what pops up here. Okay, and we click on it. That type of weapon, it goes even deeper into that category. And what's cool, when you just hover, you scroll over the image, the download button is right there. You download and it is instant, right? So that is number 1 on our list, is free PNGs, because it's very quick and it happens instantaneously. I like that type of stuff, where it is no, hassle. If you tell me it's free, let's go. All right, and number 2 on our list is clean PNG. And this one is pretty easy to flow with too. And it's good to have a couple of sites in your back pocket, because each one's gonna have different, flavors and images. I'll click on Groundhog Day. This might have some cool characters. See what pops up. And remember, all these images are public domain. You can use them as is, or you can edit them. Of course, I would suggest to edit them. And once you click on the image, the free download is right there. You download, and it opens up instantly. We love that. Instant, no problem. Let me get the image. PNG, no background. Beautiful. Let's go. Right? Okay. And last on our list is free PNGing. Another one. Nice. Right on the first page, you see some images, PNGs ready to go. You must remember, let's go to the home page. You must remember here, on a lot of these sites, they're running ads, so try your best not to click on, an ad. You want to stay on the site. All right. So let's go to categories. Let's go design. See what pops up. So once you have the design you want, you come down here and click on free download PNG. That is the operable word for the day, free. And the only thing with free PNG, you need to come and find the image in your download folder. But other than that, it is instantaneously also. All right, so those are the 3 sites that you can get free PNGs. You don't have to worry about, taking out the background. It does it for you. And if you just need templates to start with, it's good to scroll through and see what images you can use, right? to repurpose it for your needs, right? I hope this video helped. All right, guys, get out there. Let's make it happen. So until next time, y'all be good and be safe. Peace.